Hey guys, so I don't know if this is on me, but today is Friday, and yeah, so this probably isn't the best lighting or anything because I'm in my parents' room, and I'm trying to get their computer to work, so yeah, I have to do my voiceover parts for a video. And on my regular computer, you know, my desktop, and I can't do it on the laptop because it won't work for some reason, so I have to do it on here. And I'm watching my YouTube subscriptions. I have so many to watch. I have this one that I'm watching, and then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 more. So, no wait. 10 more after this video, so that should be fun. And I might hang out with Melissa if she wants to and if my mom lets me, so I don't know. I'll get back to you though, because I don't really want to talk a lot in this video like right now. Also, while I'm waiting for this to load or whatever, I had my 8th grade picnic today and I took a lot of pictures, so I'll probably insert some like right now because I took, let's count because I'm that bored, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. That's a lot to me at least. Yeah. I'll work that.
Dance it out, Brandon. Interpretive dance. Interpretive dance for Brandon.
Mom, I don't know how it happened. So don't you dare look back. Just keep your eyes on me. There's no holding back. She said, shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said, ooh, ooh, shut up and dance with me.
Yeah, I got this.
So you want to get that one? Right, the Bumble?
Maybe get a minion.
No, Dad's trying to get the Bumble.
I'll get the Bumble.
I mean, he moved a little bit since last time.
Slipping down a chain reaction, and here I go, here I go, here I go, go. And once again I'm yours in fractions. It takes me down, pulls me down low. Honey, it's raining tonight.
Hey guys, it's Saturday now, so the next day, and yeah, so today I got my little kitty, and oh my god, he's so cute. His name is Oreo. He's all black, and then he has like this white part on his chest, so it's really cute. And my friend Jordan is gonna come over in a little bit to come see him, so that should be fun. And we're just gonna hang out then too for a little bit, I guess. So yeah, last night I edited the vlog from yesterday because it was only like 3 minutes long, so I'm just gonna combine yesterday's vlog and today's vlog, and then I'm gonna edit and upload them tonight. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing. And yeah, I have nothing to do right now. I just cleaned up a little bit. I put my clothes away and all of that, and I really need to think of main channel videos to film because it's summer. I was trying to do the voiceover for this, but then it didn't save to my flash drive, so I couldn't do it on my desktop computer, and I wasn't really even proud of that video, so I just deleted it all, and I'm gonna think of some more good video ideas. So hopefully Jordan can help me with that too. It should be over in like 10-ish minutes, so I'm gonna just watch the rest of this video.
I just wanna vlog. I wanna vlog like you.
I'm vlogging like Maddie. This sounds 2425. Don't put that in your video. I'm vlogging like Maddie. So today
I'm gonna go over to Maddie's house, and then I'm going to go shoe shopping, and then I'm going to go to the store, and then I'm probably gonna just go home and chill. But I'm not gonna vlog any of it. I'm just gonna tell you about it. So yeah, and then after that, probably gonna eat some dinner. Maybe we'll go out for dinner, maybe something like that. And then I'll edit a video and record a video for you. But I'm not going to vlog any of this. I'm just gonna tell you about it. Bye. I'm trying to find you in the thing. I can't. Ooh, I did it. There's you. Why is it so wet? I'm trying to vlog here. I know. I'm watching myself in the mirror, Maddie. Hey, I got you this far. Why is it still alive? It's so weird.
So we were just petting the kitty, but I forgot to bring the camera with, so we didn't get to see that. That was Jay.
Yo.
Oh, are we recording?
Yeah.
Are we recording for your vlog?
I'm gonna be in Maddie's vlog today.
Because Maddie is like best friend.
I think me and Maddie are gonna go to CVS. So yeah, we're gonna not bring the vlog camera though because that'd be messy. So yeah, maybe not. I'll tell you in a minute.
Yo! So we're riding to CVS, and yeah, I'm with Jordan. And I am. So yeah, let's go on this adventure. So we're at CVS now, and we're like really wet, so let's go.
It's raining outside. My glasses are all wet.
Hey guys, so as you can tell from the last clip, we went to CVS, and then Jordan had to go home, so I dropped her off on the way home, and we just got candy. So she got 3 boxes of candy, and then I got 3 boxes of candy. So I already ate 1 box, and so I got Sweetest Fish, Sour Patch Watermelon, and Nerds. I already ate the Sweetest Fish because they were so good, so I could throw that out. And then yeah, so and then Jordan got Reese's Pieces, Dots, and Mike and Ike's, so that's fun. And I'm just watching some YouTube subscriptions because my mom went to Walmart, and now my brother's friend is over, so yeah, that's fun. So yeah, I just opened my Nerds, and they look really cool because they're like all mixed together, so it looks like a rainbow. So I'm going to show you. Like, that's so cool. It's not good lighting, but I'll probably take a picture and use it in a thumbnail. Hey guys, so finished watching my YouTube subscription, and now I'm going to... Hey guys, so it's been quite a bit since I've last vlogged, and that's just because I haven't really been doing anything. I just got done eating dinner, and yeah. So yeah. I'll probably, just so you guys know, I'll probably, like, for my plans tonight, I'll probably, like, edit this vlog, and then while it's exporting, I'll probably clean my room up, and before I do that, I'll probably, like, or after it, I'll take a shower because so I know I took all my makeup off because I'm gonna go take a shower, but yeah, I'm gonna go take a shower, and after that I'm just going to edit this vlog and clean my room and watch YouTube videos because why not? So I'm just going to end this vlog here. And I really like this, like, vlogging. So if you want me to do vlogs, then let me know down below, and I'll definitely do more, especially since summer is coming up. So I'll be with, like, friends and stuff. So I hope you guys enjoy this vlog, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!